In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new payment method on your Fresha dashboard, making transactions even more seamless and efficient for your business. Let's dive right into this process to ensure that everything is set up correctly and efficiently. First off, you will want to navigate to your Fresha dashboard. Once you're there, take a look on the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a gear icon. This icon is your gateway to the settings menu. Clicking it will allow you to access a variety of customization and configuration options for your account. It's like opening the door to everything you might need to fine-tune your business operations within Fresha. After you click on the gear icon, scroll through the options provided until you find the section labeled Sales. This section is critical because within it, you can manage and review all aspects related to your business transactions. Go ahead and click on Sales. Now, be sure you're under the Payment Methods tab. This tab is where all the magic happens, letting you decide how transactions are processed by your business. You'll see all the methods you currently have set up displayed here, providing you with a snapshot of the buying options you offer to your customers. The next step from here is to click on the Add button, which is typically located at the top of this section. Clicking on this button initiates the process of adding a fresh payment method to your list. Now, a new field will open up for you to complete. This is where you'll assign a name to your new payment method. Naming is important because it helps you differentiate between different payment types, especially if you plan to add several options for your clients to use when making purchases. Make sure the name is clear, concise, and representative of the method you're providing, perhaps the brand name or type of payment service. Once you've settled on an appropriate name and entered it into the designated field, you'll need to finalize your changes. To do this, click on the Add button once more, located right at the top. And just like that, that's it. Your new payment method is now successfully integrated into your Fresha dashboard. Remember, providing your clients with multiple payment options can enhance their experience by giving them flexibility and convenience, both of which are invaluable in retaining satisfied customers. Now you're all set to start accepting payments through your newly added method, contributing to a streamlined and efficient checkout experience for everyone involved. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your business operations.